Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw Buzz Lightyear, we're going to first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw 2 circles. And I'm just giving myself a little bit of space for a nose, and so about right here I'll start the other eye. So another circle. And then I'm going to come inside and draw a smaller circle. And just give it a little highlight and shade it in. So same thing over here. There. So then I'm going to come right in between the eyes and just draw a very light little curve for his nose. And then let's give him a charming smile. So right underneath it, big curve, and then connect it with a deeper curve at the bottom. And cap it off. And so then let's draw his signature eyebrows. So we're going to come towards the center right here. Draw a curve over his eye and draw this eyebrow that comes down. Then the other side is going to go up slightly. So up more and down. Okay, so then now that we have his face in, let's come to the side right here where his eyes are, and then we're going to draw the top of his head. So come about right here, and it's going to be really close to kind of this eyebrow right here. So it's very tapered, so about right here, come in and back down. And then let's draw another layer at the top, just slightly. And down. So we come in here and thicken these eyebrows. There. Okay. So then now that we have the top part in, let's start to taper in just a slight bit on both sides. So then now we're going to start to draw this big old chin, right? So then come here. And we're going to exaggerate the chin and bring it all the way down. About right there, I'll start to curve it in and connect it. There. And then right here in the center, I'm going to draw a little swiggle. And then let's come back up here. We're going to draw the ear. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve. Just indication of his ear area. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's start to draw his neck right here. So we're going to come right to the edge and just draw 2 angle lines. And from there, let's go ahead and connect it with a curve. So right under his chin. And we're going to use this curve right here to build that big dome over his head, the helmet. So let's come right here, and I'm just going to attempt to draw this big old circle around his head. So we're just going to go all the way to the top, right there, and then we're going to start to come right back down. There. Okay, and then we're going to come in here if you want, kind of towards this edge, and just draw a little highlight for our helmet here. There. Okay, so then now let's draw, start to draw his body. We're going to come first, let's see here, there's lots of details. Let's come to center first. I'm just going to come about right here, give myself a point. And I'm going to draw this little detail right here. So it's like a flattened out V. And then bring it in. And then come out right here, about in this area. Your shoulders, give them wide shoulders on both sides. And I'm going to connect it down. So I'm just going to come down on both sides towards the center, and then connect it with a straighter line. And let's add some details. So right here in the center, finish this off with a straight line. This corner right here, add a circle. And then in this side, add 3 ovals. So 1, 2, or rectangles, 3. And then let's come down here and we're going to start to draw chest area. So come down. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So about right here, come down with a curve. And we're going to aim towards the center. So come bring this in. So it's easier if we do both sides together, step by step. And then in the center, now that it's pretty much centered, let's just connect it with a curve. And then let's come in here with a stripe on both sides. Okay, now let's work on the center right here. We're going to come in this area and we're going to draw a straight line down right inside of it. And let's come in on both sides and angle and then add a straight line. So some details, let's come in here and draw a straight line across and another one. From there, let's draw his legs. So I'm going to come right here in the center and I'm going to draw a straight line down on both sides. And right here, I'm going to angle it out, come in a little bit on both sides. So let's continue this. Say about right there, I'll stop. And I'm going to add a big curve. So I'm going to start to draw the feet. Bring this down, continue this, and connect it. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. Just bring it down. Right here, add a big curve for the foot, and connect. And let's draw some details. So we're going to come right here, kind of in the center area, and draw a circle. And add 2 curves right in the center of it. Same thing over here. Curve right here for some details. And let's just give this boot right here at the bottom another layer for the bottom. Okay, there. Now the arms. Let's come in this area right here and we're going to draw a curve. Let's pop it out. Comes down. Straight line. Connect it with an angle line right here. Now we're going to draw this part right here. So come down with an angle. Straighten this out a little bit and then angle it in. And connect. So about this area, we're going to have the arm. So about right here, we'll connect it. And now the fingers. So thumb and the fingers. And let's draw some details. So right here, there's going to be a stripe. And another line right here. And maybe 2 lines right there. Okay, so now to draw the other side. So same exact thing. So it's all in this area right here. So I'm just going to make sure so it's in this, about that area. Try to follow the best I can what I did on the other side. So about in this area, I'll stop, add an angle. And same thing. So I'm going to stop in this area right here and connect it. So once again, the hands are going to be down there. So thumb and fingers. So once again, the same details. There. Since he's my Draw So Cute Buzz Lightyear, I'm going to add a little heart button right here. I couldn't resist. So you can add a little heart right there if you want. So there, I hope you guys love this cute little Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story, and I made it easy for you guys to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.